A grand a month recurring income. So, 2 weeks ago, I shared with you a video about how I was going to build a monthly recurring income online using my knowledge, skills, and experience. I shared it on the channel. If you missed it, I'll link it up in one of the cards up on here for you. You can go and have a look at it. Today, I'm going to share with you an update on that and I'll show you everything that we have been doing, okay? There hasn't been a lot going on because I was away with the kids last week. So essentially, these numbers are from about 8 days work, okay? So the original plan with this was we was going to create a community, and I've done that. So let me minimize the screen, and I'll show you what I mean. So over on this platform over here called Skool, you can create communities. And I've created one called the Faceless Movement. Now, the plan with this whole setup over here is to show people how to earn online without using their face and using predominantly AI to earn online, okay? So I'm doing this myself. So for example, I've got AI monetized YouTube channels, I've got TikTok channels, I've got niche web, I've got loads of different things, okay? And what I'm doing over here is I'm sharing my examples and I'm also sharing inside my own accounts. And I'm basically showing people all of these different ways how to start earning online with faceless content. And you can see on here, this is the classroom. So in here, these are all classrooms and people can go in and access these. Now, in order to hit our goal of $1,000 a month, we need 100 people because we are charging $10 a month for this. And you might be thinking, why is it so cheap? Well, the original goal with this was to offer as much value up front. So essentially, it becomes a no-brainer for people. So in the UK, this is about £7.50 a month. And what I'm doing as well is because it's monthly recurring, and obviously I want people to stay in the community, I'm just trying to offer as much value as possible. So I'll share with you a couple of examples inside of these and we'll go through it, okay? And then I'll share with you the numbers. So for example, if people want to learn about these AI videos that are all viral on TikTok and YouTube, I've done that in here for them. So we have full walkthrough videos and we have prompts down here. So how to create images, how to add motion to the images, how to edit the videos, examples of the completed video, different ways we can monetize, and then we're going to the different things. So if people want to, create cat AI videos, we've got the templates down here. If they want to do minion videos, again, click on here. We'll have a video walkthrough and we'll have the prompts. So we've got all of those. Then we have got this over here, which is creating videos inside of Google VO3. And again, we have links in here, we have prompts and absolutely loads more. If you're in here, you will know that this channel over here for me is at the moment doing really well. So if somebody wanted to create videos like this, like a news reporter, they just simply click on there. It opens up into a new tab and it gives them all of the prompts to use within the AI tool. Okay, so all of that is in there. So that's just one part of this, because obviously some people might not want to create viral AI videos. They might want to start a faceless YouTube channel. So in here, again, full walkthrough thing, day one, day two, etc. All the days, homework on each day. We've also got faceless digital marketing. So how this works, what's working now. We link out to accounts that are crushing this up, how to basically set it up and do it. We even have, you'll see on here, we have a case study going through the whole process of what we have done. Then I come down here, I've also been buying reels, so done for you reels. So if somebody wants to, go into this method, they can simply come in here and they can get started with these done for you reels. And as you can see, we've got them in loads and loads of different categories. There's absolutely loads, there's thousands of them. So we've got those in there. We've also got done for you products. So with these products over here, people can do a number of things with it. Number one, they can download it and learn from it. Number two, they can sell them, and we show how to do this. Or number three is they can use them as lead magnets to build a business. And you'll see we have men's versions and we also have ladies versions in here. And you'll see all of the tools and resources in here. So again, we've got a number of done for you products from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube automation, digital marketing, and loads more, okay? So that's all in there. And my plan with that is every month I am buying additional resources to put in here, which are worth a lot more than $10. So again, it's an incentive to keep people in the community. And also I just like researching and buying different things. So we've got that. We've got our Instagram theme pages. We've got prompt selling, which we just uploaded yesterday, and then we've got gifts and resources. So in here, again, each month I am buying different resources. So for example, video prompts, a month's worth of content in minutes. This links out to this document over here. I'll show you this. Links over to the Google Drive, and we've got it done by categories. And it's an awesome oh, I've gone in the wrong one. I have gone in the wrong one. Sorry, let me go back. I want to click on this one over here. 10,000 video prompts. And you can see it's linked. I'll show you. Click on here. And it's including all of these different categories. So look, AI-powered robots, prompt engineering demos, and there's got all these little tabs along the bottom. So there's loads of stuff in there. And my plan with it is just to continue pumping out content in here, putting in updates for people, and basically just making it a whole little community of people who are earning online with faceless content and AI content. So that is currently how it looks. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. We've got 9 little classrooms in here. We've got this one coming soon, and in this gifts and resources, every couple of days we're uploading new content in here. In fact, I put a post on here yesterday saying to the community, do you want this? So look, do you want this? I saw this PLR, and basically looking at this, it is, what is this? It's a PLR which covers side hustles using ChatGPT. It looks good. If you want it, let me know and I'll buy it. So we've got 12 likes on here. The community wants it. So we're going to go and buy this product, and then we'll add it in the gifts and resources. So if someone wants to buy that on their own, it would cost them $20. They're paying $10 a month, so they're getting that as part of this freebie in here. But then obviously they're getting everything else. So that's it. So the original goal is $1,000 a month recurring income. Charging $10 a month, we need 100 people. How many people have we got in? Well, we have currently got 57 members. Now, here's another thing I'm going to tell you. You might be thinking that's 570. It isn't. I'll show you the actual numbers. So again, so you can see everything I'm telling you is indeed true. I'm going to go on here, and I am going to go on settings. And I got an account. No, I'm not. I'll need to blank now. Let me come out of here. Let me go back, and I'll show you this, because we have got, come down here, we've got 57. Oh, there we go. Click on settings there. We've got 57 members, but you'll see over here, 30 of those are paid. So we are currently up to $300 a month recurring income from this. The additional 20 people who have come into this are people who had purchased the course, and I gave them access to the Faceless movement. Okay, so we're up to $300, so it's not doing too bad. Now I'm back from holiday, I'll be sharing more content around this, what we're doing, and hopefully it won't be too much longer until we achieve $1,000 a month. But all I am doing with this is using my knowledge, skills, and experience of what I am doing online. So essentially, I'm just sharing what's working online, what's doing well, and from that, I'm building up a monthly recurring income using this platform over here called Skool. So look, that's it. That's a quick update for you. If you want to check out the Faceless movement, of course, I will link it down below for you. It'll be great to have you on board. So there you go. Any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon.